Hi boys and girls, it's me, Elsa of Arendelle. I am going to show you guys how to make fake snow today. It's very, very easy. You need 2 ingredients. So what we're gonna need is some baking soda and then any white hair conditioner of your choice. It's gonna be something really fun that you guys can do while you're stuck in the house. And who doesn't love snow, right? All right, so we're going to open up the baking soda. All right, measuring cup. You're gonna need 3 cups of this. Okay, 1. Looks like we only have enough for 2 cups, so we're gonna do 2 cups. All right, and the recipe for 3 cups is about half a cup of your hair conditioner. So since we're only doing 2 cups, we're gonna do a little less than half. About that much. This smells really good. All right, so we're going to pour that in and mix it around. Now here's the fun part. Just gonna use your hands and mix everything around. Okay, keep mixing until everything is really stuck together. You don't want any wet spots. You don't want any dry spots. See how it kind of looks like snow already? How cool. Okay. I think this needs a little bit more conditioner. So what we're going to do is we're going to scoop out what's left in there. Continue to mix it around. I got a snowball. Make sure everything is evenly incorporated. Okay. Now that that's all done, we have our snow. I think we should make a little snowman. You're just gonna ball it up like you would with regular snow. We got the bottom part to our snowman. We're gonna get one that's not so big. Okay, the second part to our snowman right here. And last but not least, his head. Every snowman needs a head. You guys want to see the finished product? I knocked the snowman over. All right. Oh, my hands are all dirty, but come and look. We got a little snowman and all this fun fake snow. If you guys want to try this at home, you definitely want to ask your mom or your dad or your grandma or your babysitter or who's ever with you to advise this. If you don't have the ingredients at home, it was really, really cheap. I paid about $2 for all of this stuff. I am going to be doing videos for you guys a little more frequently. So if you guys have any suggestions or any questions you want me to answer in the next video, I could definitely do that for you. Other than that, everyone try and stay safe, try and stay healthy, try and make the best out of your time inside. You do have your teachers that are doing a lot for you right now, trying to make everything a lot more accessible for you guys at home. Other than that, I love you all. Stay safe. Bye.